This module we are going to discuss, that is first question, our next exercise. In the given triangles, find out x, y, z. So here they are given x degrees. So actually, if it is the outside, it is there like this. In triangle, let triangle ABC, the exterior angle property. This is exterior angle to the triangle ABC. So this angle will be equal to sum of the opposite two angles. That is from what you can see from exterior angle property, what you can say here is angle ACD. So here angle ACD will be equal to sum of the angles ABC, angle ABC plus angle CBAC. ABC means angle B, then BAC. So ACD will be equal to x degrees, then A plus B, this one is 60 degrees plus 50 degrees. Then what you will get? 110 degrees. Like this we can solve. So x degrees will be equal to 110 degrees. Or we can go with another method. What is that here? So you can, here it's two angles. Let's take this is some x degrees. So this angle will be equal to 180 minus x. So 180 minus x degrees. So what you can take here, angle sum property. So angle sum property of triangle. Angle sum property of triangle. What is that is? So here angle A plus angle B plus angle C will be equal to 180 degrees. Angle A is nothing but 50 degrees. Then angle B is nothing but 60 degrees. Then angle C will be equal to 180 minus x degrees. That will be equal to 180 degrees. Then what you can take it another step here is 110 degrees plus. So x degree shift to the right side. Then 180 degrees minus 180 will be equal to x degrees. So plus 180 minus 180 will going to cancel. Then x degrees will be equal to 110 degrees. Like this also we can solve. So here we are going to find angle Z. So what is the angle of this? So from what I told, I have exterior angle property. From exterior angle property, what I told is exterior angle property. That will be equal to angle Z degree will be equal to angle E plus angle G, opposite angle sum of these two. So Z degrees will be equal to 60 plus 70 degrees. So that will be equal to 130 degrees. So what is that value is 130 degrees. Or you can go with another method. As I told, here we'll take it as some t degrees. So t will be equal to 180 minus z degrees from linear pair angles. So from 180 total we are subtracting z. Then what is that value? So let's take here angle sum property of triangle. So angle sum property of triangle. Which triangle here? EFG, triangle EFG. So angle E plus angle F plus angle G will be equal to 180 degrees. So what you can take it here is, so angle E is nothing but 60 degrees plus angle F is nothing but 180 minus Z degrees plus angle G will be equal to 70 degrees. That will be equal to 180 degrees. Then find out this 60 plus 70 will be equal to 130 degrees. So this minus z and here will going to shift all the pluses and will become minuses. 180 minus 180 plus z degrees. So here plus minus will going to cancel. Then z degree will be equal to 130 degrees. Like this also we can solve. So here we are going to take, what is that here? We need to find the y degrees. So as I told in previous all these values, what is that is from an exterior angle property of triangle. So exterior angle property of triangle, what is that? PQR. So what is that angles is? So angle R will be equal to, that is angle R is nothing but PRS. So PR, yes, that is angle R will be equal to, that is angle PRS. So that is the angle of exterior angle we are taking outside. So y degrees will be equal to sum of angle P plus angle Q. So what is that? Angle P is nothing but 35 degrees, angle Q is nothing but 45 degrees. So we will get 80 degrees. So that is the value. Or you can go with, as I told here, this angle will be equal to, from linear pair, 180 degrees minus y degrees. So let's take all these values, sum of all these values, that is from triangle PQR will be angle P plus angle Q plus angle R will be equal to 180 degrees. Then angle P is nothing but 35 degrees, angle Q is nothing but 45 degrees, angle R is equals to 180 minus y degrees, that will be equal to 180 degrees. So here 80 degrees plus, here this one will be going to shift to the right side, it will become, okay, let's write 180 here, 180 plus y degrees. Then y degrees will be equal to 80 plus 180 minus 180. So these two will going to cancel, then y degrees will be equal to 80 degrees. That is the value. Like this we need to solve.